Hi everyone, this is Sarvam Rai from Designy, and in this video we'll be looking into how you can use your private safe ultimate PDF merger software. To use the software, first you need to purchase the applications. So to purchase the application, you can go to the description of this video and purchase the application. And if you have purchased the application, go to your Etsy account and click on your account and click on purchase and review. Once you click on purchase and review, it will take you to your purchase sections. Over there, please find the PDF merger product. Okay, so once you find that, just click on download files. So this is not the PDF merger, since this is a different application. Since I can't buy my own product, so I'll just show you with this. Okay, so you need to just click on the download files over here. When you click on download files, after that you'll get two files. To see those files, you need to go to the file manager. Okay, so let's go to the file manager. In the file manager, go to your download sections. In the download sections, you'll get the PDF and this specific file, that is the PDF compressed.html. Just double click it and open the file. Once you open the file, you will see this specific text, and to open this file, just to open, you will need the internet, and once you gets open, it doesn't need internet. Okay, just click on select file and select the specific PDF you want to merge. Okay, and click on open, and you can just hold your left button and drag up and down to arrange your PDF order. Okay, top for the PDF is in the same manner it will be arranged. Okay, the pages of that specific file will be in the first, and once that's arranged, just click on merge PDF, and instantly your PDF will be downloaded. Okay, so as you can see here, our merge PDF is ready. Okay, you can go to the file manager, or you can just click from there only. Here you'll be able to see the merge PDF. Okay, and you can use that specific merge PDF, and that's all you need to do to use these applications. So this is free, and this is the ultimate PDF merger applications which does not where you don't need to buy any subscriptions, where you don't need to see ads, when you do need to upload the documents, which is 100% safe and secure and your private applications. So this is Sarvam Rai from Designy, and thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this PDF merger will help you in the future. Thank you so much.